What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Unboxing It. Now today I'm going to be saying if the Google Home Mini is worth it. Now technically the Google Home Mini isn't necessarily a new product, but you may have noticed that in the past I've made quite a few videos on the Amazon Echo Dot, but I also wanted to venture off more in that product category of the smart speakers and see some of the other better selling smart speakers. So that is why I have here the Google Home Mini. So in terms of price, the Google Home Mini starts at $50, the same price as the Amazon Echo Dot. Now getting into some of the features that the Google Home Mini has is, first of all, I've heard some people say that it has much better sound quality than you would expect. You know, it's not the best, but it is better than you would think. Second, of course, there's the Google Assistant, and the Google Assistant has been known for being pretty smart. You can ask it literally to do anything within reason, and it'll respond and give you an answer or play a song, you know, tell you a joke, or just do different things like that. Another cool thing with the Google Home Mini is that you can actually make calls off of this rather than just on your phone. So you can say, okay Google, call Jimbo. Another cool thing, just like the Echo Dot, is, you know, of course you can set alarms, set some reminders and stuff. So if you happen to have a doctor's appointment or something like that, you can say, okay Google, set an alarm for 2:30 p.m. for my doctor's appointment, and it'll start that, and you know, it'll remind you at 2:30. So anyways, that's all the features I wanted to talk about, at least right now. And without further ado, let's get straight into the box. We got the charcoal, I believe, yeah, charcoal Google Home Mini. Okay, so then we have a little get started guide explaining how to probably use it and, you know, turn it on and set it up and stuff. And then we have a nicely presented cable that you are going to use to actually turn the Google Home Mini on.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, so now it's just wanting me to use my Google account. It's, you know, pairing with this device to the app. And, you know, okay, so I guess it's just finished. Okay, so now it's all set up. Okay, and then something I learned is that tapping on the left side of the Google Home Mini will lower the volume. Then tapping on the right side will raise the volume. Okay, Google, play jazz music.
Sure, here's a Google Play music station called Jazz Ballads and Love Songs.
Okay, Google, how do you say subscribe in Japanese?
In Japanese, you would say 申し込む.
Now, one thing that the Google Home Mini does have, similar to the Amazon Echo Dot, is a mute switch. So there's a little switch that you can put on and it'll mute the Google Home Mini. Now also, if you guys want, I am thinking about doing a comparison video of me comparing the Google Home Mini versus the Amazon Echo Dot, which has Alexa. If you guys have any, you know, questions or comments on that, I'd love to hear it in the comment section down below. Now also, if you're thinking about getting the Google Home Mini compared to Alexa, then I would also just say go with the Google Home Mini, because I've been using Alexa for quite a while now actually, and you know, again, don't get me wrong, Alexa is great virtual assistant, but I'm just saying right now that I think the Google Home Mini is just in general a better product, because you know, I just think it does a little bit better of a job with a little bit of everything. So with that said, thank you for watching. Make sure to comment, share, and subscribe below if you have not already. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.